Hi, I'm Phil Eby, Director of Business Development at Eby Exteriors, and we're just highlighting these beautiful windows that we installed here recently. The home, we're just privileged to work in this beautiful home in York County near Glen Rock, and they've given us the privilege to install these new Marvin Signature Windows, which just fit perfectly. They look like they belong, and yet they're offering this homeowner all the energy efficiency and practicality that they want out of their windows. One key feature here is this beautiful trim. Looks like a wood trim, but it's not. It's Marvin's Columbus casing. That's an aluminum clad trim that comes with the window, so the color matches perfectly. And these homeowners aren't going to have to paint that or worry about that for a long, long time, 20 or 30 years. It's going to last and weather and look great. It's just one of the features that a high-end window like Marvin affords, and again, it was our privilege to install it. So we just wanted to highlight some of the interior features and beauty of these Marvin windows that just complete the package. Besides the beauty, the energy efficiency, the authentic looking hardware, we have windows here that are just easy to operate. Just to give you an idea. Open and close very easily, locks automatically. Or if you need to tilt in, you just pull it in like that. And this top sash works the same way. And locked. So they're easy to clean, again, super tight and yet super easy to operate. Just a beautiful product for a beautiful home.